With the power of Stripe payments, you can easily sell products, services, memberships, and more directly from your Base44 applications. In just a few steps, you'll have it integrated and ready for your first sale. Before you start, make sure your backend functions are enabled in your app. You can check this in the app's dashboard under App Settings. If you haven't already, click Activate. Next, head to the chat and prompt the connection to Stripe. For this camera marketplace app, I'll type something like Connect Stripe for camera purchases. For your app, write a prompt that's relevant. You can also go to the Integrations tab in the dashboard and open the Stripe connector. There, you'll find example prompts tailored to your specific app. Click Use to view the prompts and select any example to add it directly to the chat. Once you've sent a prompt, the agent will recognize the Stripe request and ask for approval to install the Stripe integration. The agent then sets up the Stripe checkout system, including any additional buttons or features it needs to add to your specific application. For example, in our camera marketplace, we currently only have a contact seller button on each listing. Once the Stripe integration is complete, you'll now see a Buy Now button automatically added to the relevant pages, which takes users to the Stripe checkout page. So the next step is to run a test payment to simulate a purchase. In the chat, the agent provides a test card you can use for this. Additionally, if we return to the integrations list in the dashboard, we'll also see the Stripe integration marked as pending, along with a few steps to complete before we can accept real payments. So let's try a test payment. We'll copy the card number. Then, as instructed, we'll publish the app and open it in a new tab to test the checkout flow. Let's click Publish in the top right. And once it's live, click Open in a new tab. Now we can select any item and click Buy Now. You'll then be redirected to the Stripe checkout page that's now connected to your app. Here, paste the test card number, use any future date for the expiration, and any 3-digit CVC. Fill out any remaining required fields, and then click Pay. The order will process and you'll see the confirmation screen. If you want to adjust anything in the flow, just describe the changes you want in the chat, let the agent update your app, then publish again and repeat the test. Once you're happy with the experience, the next step is to claim your Stripe sandbox and set up your Stripe account. At this point, you'll likely have received an email from Stripe about the sandbox that was created for your new project. You can click the button in the email to set up your account. Or, back in the Integrations tab, select Claim and Go Live. Both options will take you to Stripe and guide you through setting up your account. If you already have a Stripe account, just log in to continue. While in sandbox mode, you'll see a test environment that mirrors what your live Stripe dashboard will look like after setup. On the right-hand side, you'll see 2 API keys, a publishable key and a secret key. At first, these keys are test keys. Once you complete Stripe's setup guide, your live API keys will appear in the same place. These live keys are what you'll add back into your Base44 application. Back in the Integrations tab, the final step is to add your live API keys from Stripe. Once you save these live keys, your app will be ready to accept real payments. For more details, go to docs.base44.com and click on Setting Up Payments. There you'll find step-by-step instructions, more example prompts and use cases that can be helpful, and a full FAQ. So, what are we building?